Project 2.1, the traffic light, was our first introduction to the world of coding with Arduino using the language C++. The Arduino Uno uses the ATmega 328P chip. The benefits of this chip include its ability to store large amounts of data. This data is stored in 3 different ways. The first storage method is Flash. Flash contains all the code loaded on from your computer. Flash will continue to store data even when it is not connected to your computer and can hold up to 32 kilobytes. The next storage type is SRAM. SRAM stores the data for variables used and is a more short-term memory source holding up to 2 kilobytes. EEPROM is the final form of storage and can only hold 1 kilobyte of data. EEPROM can be used to upload images. For this build, we used a 7-segment display as well as a red 5mm LED, a green 5mm LED, and 3 red, green, and yellow 10mm LEDs. We also used a 220 ohm resistor, the traffic light PCB, and an Arduino Uno, as well as 4 right male header pins. The code used in this project can be divided into 3 main parts. The first section assigns universal variables with 8 and 16-bit integers for storage efficiency. The next part of the code uses the setup function to assign each pin used as an output pin. The final part of the code is where all of the instructions for the traffic light, crossing lights, and the pedestrian countdown signal have been written. The 7-segment display used for the countdown is controlled by assigning each pin from A to G or 13 to 7 on the Arduino with a high or low value to display each number. The traffic light was given a high signal followed by a delay to illuminate for 10 seconds on green and red LEDs and 2.5 seconds for the yellow LED. Along with the traffic light and the 7-segment display, this project used a green and red LED to represent a pedestrian crossing light.